Hi everyone. If you've been thinking about learning digital jewelry design but feel overwhelmed, I want you to know something. That feeling is normal. The software looks complicated. There are too many buttons, too many tools, and you watch tutorials online, but you still don't feel confident doing it yourself. That's not because you can't learn. It's because you haven't been shown where to begin. I've been a jeweler for over 40 years, and I've been designing digitally for more than 25. I've seen complete beginners become confident jewelers. It's not because they were special, but because they had guidance. In this beginner class, I take you step by step. After the first class, you create your own simple band. By the second class, you'll be able to set stones, and by the third class, you can render realistic photos and videos like a professional. After the course, you receive 1 month of free membership, and including access to my 10,000 parts and models library, so you don't have to start from zero. You don't need to rush, you just need to start. If you're ready, I'll be honored to guide you. See you in class.